In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro. So the first thing you want to do is go to your home screen, just like this. Now once you're on the home screen, take a look at the buttons on your phone. On the left side, you have the volume up and volume down buttons, and on the right side, you have the big power button. Now to take a screenshot, all you need to do is press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. So just press both buttons together quickly and release. Now once you do that, you'll see the screen flash and a small screenshot preview will appear, which means the screenshot was taken successfully. Now after that, you'll see options to crop the screenshot, draw on it, or edit it if you want. And you'll also see options to save to photos, save to files, or save to Quick Note. Now in my case, I'm just going to save it to photos. And once you do that, the screenshot will be saved automatically. And that's it. You have successfully taken a screenshot on iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.